I'm Lin Wei, an engineer at Xiaolong machinery plant. Fined 100,000 from year-end bonus for being 2 minutes late. New plant manager Zhang Tao responsible. As an example, to make a point. But it's fine. From that day on, I clock in right at the last second and leave as soon as the bell rings.
I shut everything down and leave immediately.
I want to show them whether this plant can run without me.
What is our company? It's the model for Xiaolong Group. What is discipline? It's the lifeline of the company. But there's always some bad apples who are disorganized and unruly, ignoring our plant's rules. I was appointed as the manager of this plant, so starting today, I need to sternly address this misconduct.
Lin Wei.
As our senior engineer and key tech person, you're 2 minutes late. 2 minutes. Our new rules say 1 minute late is a 100 fine. 2 minutes. This is serious, so I've decided to cut Lin Wei's entire year-end bonus.
That's 100 grand.
Set an example, 100 grand.
But I heard.
Lin worked until 4 a.m. last night, that's why he was late. This rule, director. Aren't you overreacting? You don't get it.
He's using Lin to assert his authority.
A new official fires up 3 times.
And the first time.
It's aimed at Lin.
Lin Wei, do you have anything more to explain?
Why should I? To someone who's just using me as an example, any explanation is pointless.
Wei, swallow pride, admit mistake, apologize to manager for 100,000 year-end bonus.
If you're okay with your punishment, come up here and sign this.
Wei, your year's bonus. Just compromise and this will blow over. Director, Lin Wei worked overtime last night to adjust the equipment. Stayed until 4 a.m.
Shut up. I don't care how late she worked. No excuse for being late. Rules are rules, understand? If you plead for her again, I'll punish you too.
Senior brother. No need to say more. I'm willing to accept the punishment. He wants to see me beg, to see me break down, so he can finish me off once and for all. But I'll never give in to him.
Xiaolong, you're the new tech talent we've just hired. Stick with me and we'll do great things. Together, we'll work hard to succeed big time.
Don't worry, Master. I'll learn from you, work hard.
Good, I have faith in you.
Xiaolong.
All our factory's machinery relies on our technical tests, so we must approach this work diligently, with precision and care. Because the factory places great trust in us,
What about us?
we should repay the factory well.
Master definitely will.
Xiaolong, your skills have far surpassed mine. You can totally handle the equipment debugging for our factory. Now I can retire without worry.
Master.
Make sure you remember what I said.
Don't worry, Master. I will strictly follow your teachings and always put the factory first.
Good, very good. Master's gone.
Don't worry, Master. I'll use my own way to fulfill your wishes, guard your legacy.
What are you waiting for?
Hurry up and sign.
Wei, you actually signed.
You all saw it, right? Here's the penalty for breaking the labor regulations. Starting today, anyone who dares to break the rules will get the same. No leniency, got it? Got it, understood.
Wei, why were you so stubborn? You went ahead and signed. That's 10,000 bucks.
Next up, I have another announcement to make. Zhang Hao. This is Zhang Hao, a recent college graduate. Starting today, he's officially joining our engineering department. Welcome him as a technician.
Recent college graduate?
What does he know? I heard he's the director's nephew. 4 work shifts, during work.
The new factory regulations were drafted overnight. Starting today. Must be posted in every workshop.
Everyone here.
Remember and follow the rules.
Don't be like some people who think too highly of themselves.
Thinking the whole factory revolves around them.
Alright, that's it for today. Dismiss, go get to work.
Let's go back to work.
Even without the butcher, we still eat pork. Stop acting so high and mighty. May. What are you doing? It's 5 o'clock.
Strictly follow the factory rules, leave on time. My war is just beginning.
Mr. Lin.
You are?
I'm Xiaolong. I studied tech programming in Germany and attended your lectures. I learned a lot.
What can I do for you?
Here's the thing, I recently acquired the largest machinery plant in Eastern Daxia, and I'm in need of a skilled leader. You came to mind immediately, so I came uninvited to sincerely invite you to join my company.
Well,
You can name your salary and benefits. And I assure you, I'll give you the greatest authority inside the factory without interfering in your management or work. If you
thanks for trusting me. But for now, I don't plan to change jobs. Sorry. The war has just begun. Can't abandon post. Mentor spent life protecting here. Must continue for him.
Alright, Mr. Lin, I respect your choice, but if you need anything, you can come to me anytime.
It's been a while since I had a peaceful breakfast.
Xiaolong, our factory's machinery needs to be preheated an hour in advance. So, we'll need to come an hour early to start them up.
Got it, master. I won't forget. Ready to punch in. Starting work an hour early daily. To others, that's less important than being 2 minutes late. Morning, senior brother.
Morning. Everyone be careful. This is the most valuable equipment in the factory, imported from Germany. It produces the optical components for lithography machines. So remember to be careful, all right?
Morning, Engineer Lin. Morning, Director Lee.
Hi. It's about time. Start it up. What?
What's going on?
This machine today.
Why is the noise so loud?
This batch of lenses has cracks. They're all defects. They're all scrap.
Who is operating it? Do you know how much we lose if this is scrap? Who did this? I'm gonna dock their pay.
Boss, we follow the regulations.
Yeah, we have no clue what's going on. Should we ask Lin?
Lin Wei.
Boss Lee, manager. What's happening?
Lin. The machine's acting up. Check it out.
All right.
Lin Wei. Come here and check why this batch is not qualified. Is there a problem with the machine again?
The servo motor's torque is overloaded. Robot arm positioning accuracy is off.
Lin, didn't you run a pretest this morning?
Why run a pre-test?
But you usually come an hour early every day to test the machines. Why not today?
You're slacking off on purpose, taking personal revenge. Do you want to keep this job?
Rule 3 states that checking and testing before starting the equipment is part of the regular work duties. It should be done within regular working hours. It's just after 8 now. This is normal working time.
You.
Past 10 years, I come to the factory an hour early daily to adjust machines, but you shouldn't take dedication for granted.
Let me. It's just a torque parameter, I got it. It's just a torque parameter, I got it.
See that? What an excellent young engineer we have at our factory. Unlike some people. Do you think the world won't spin without you? Lin Wei, step aside. See, isn't this much better?
Uncle, I got the machine ready.
Well done! Xiao Hao, young folks should take responsibility. Unlike some people who take my high salary and shirk responsibility all day.
Get it tested quickly.
Ah,
Still junk, it won't pass the infrared test.
Xiao Hao's skills, he's responsible and driven. Today, I'll officially promote him to engineer. From now on, you'll maintain this machine. How does that sound? Anyone else got opinions?
Boss, this machine is an A7 imported from Germany. It was always handled by Lin.
Suddenly changing people isn't good, right? What's wrong with it? You old-timers. You're just stuck in your ways, afraid to trust young people. You all saw today, Xiao Hao easily adjusted the machine. Doesn't that prove a point?
Uncle, don't worry. I learned this machine from books.
I can definitely maintain it. See? Alright, I now officially announce.
This product failed inspection. This product failed inspection. Boss, it didn't pass infrared testing. This batch is all defective waste. That can't be.
Isn't this the same as last time? Is the testing equipment broken?
No way. Why not ask Lin Wei to take a look?
Lin Wei again. Can you solve this problem?
I adjusted everything. Why is it still failing?
Useless. Director Lee, go get Lin Wei.
Alright, I'll go now. Engineer Lin. There's a problem again. Please come take a look.
No matter what, make sure you learn Lin Wei's skills.
Don't worry, Uncle. I'm new here, so I can't figure it out. Lin Wei's skills are easy. I can learn them in a glance. Come on, can you hurry up?
Why rush? A guy over there can fix machines, right?
Alright, alright.
Lin Wei, why are products not passing quality check? What's wrong with the machine?
Okay. There's a burr on this part. The core pressure sensor isn't fully calibrated.
Ugh. Machine's not fixed. We're going.
You only asked me to find the problem, not solve it.
Can you solve this problem?
We weren't taught this.
And you're supposed to be a college student, a tech talent?
Exactly. If we let that A7 do the maintenance, I'm telling you, the whole production line's done for.
No kidding.
Useless. Well, let's temporarily cancel Zhang Hao's appointment. This machine here is still Lin Wei's responsibility. Hurry up and check if there are any issues.
Okay.
Lin, why are you so slow today?
Director Lee, manual states. Use infrared thermometer, take 3 readings, average them.
Oh, there's no time for that now. You usually don't need to follow the manuals so closely. For this zero drift, just touch it and you can almost get it right. All the workers are waiting. If we don't get this done, our production won't be completed.
Are you slacking on purpose? I order you to speed up. If production is affected, I'll hold you accountable. Lin Wei.
Why aren't you speeding up?
Director. Rule number 5 states that we must strictly follow the operation procedures and prohibit any shortcuts. I'm just following the rules. Director, your rules, I wouldn't dare break them. If you dock my pay by another 100,000, have nothing to eat.
You.
What are you laughing at? Who's laughing?
Get to work.
Almost there, just the last step left.
Why hasn't the equipment restarted? Lin Wei, are you slacking off? Can you take responsibility for delaying production?
Boss, I'm following the company's plan. Conduct annual calibration for the core pressure sensor. This process is inherently complex. Director Li can vouch for that.
This annual calibration is indeed complicated. Now it's the final step, data solidification.
Then you better hurry up.
Hey Lin, what are you doing?
I'm off work.
What? We're just one step away. Why the rush to leave now?
Come on Lin, stay one more minute, just one. Save the data before you go.
Sorry, Director Li. It's off hours. No operations after hours. Precision instruments prevent accidents. This is factory rule. That's what the director reminded us about this morning. How could you forget?
Are you trying to oppose me, using my words against me?
Do you think this factory
Can't function without you?
Even if you leave, there are plenty who can do the job. You think you're indispensable.
Go find someone capable to do it. As for me, I'm clocking out.
Who cut the power? This means restarting and recalibrating equipment. You're just opposing me.
Director, I would never intentionally oppose. Factory rules clearly state. After work, no operating precision instruments to avoid damage with no one responsible. Plant manager, are you trying to make me break your rules?
You.
Uncle, calm down, not that serious.
Get out of my face. Lin Wei, just you wait.
Wei, if you keep this up, the manager will definitely give you a hard time. I heard his nephew is related to the group's CEO. You can't beat him.
Made things difficult for me. What else am I scared of?
What about the production line? Zhang Hao has no hands-on experience. If this continues, all of the master's work will be ruined.
Xiaolong, I've worked in this factory my whole life, from the very beginning when no one knew about us. All the way to the scale we are now. I just want our factory to always stay world-class.
Master, it surely will. Brother, if you want to hold on to something, we need to make those who want to destroy it feel the pain first.
No wonder Master says you're like him. You're just as stubborn.
Why so many flaws? Why so many burrs?
This is garbage, you know?
And this is the wrong size. Didn't you notice? And this one, what's the deal? What are you guys doing? What is this? Useless. In just a week, our defective rate increased by 30%. 30%. Is this the standard of production at our Xiaolong Group factory? Our partners, Bosch Group in Germany, has spotted the issue. If they cancel, our entire factory goes down with them. Stay tuned.
Uncle,
Director.
you can't blame us. We produce strictly according to factory standards. Blame some people playing tricks behind the scenes, tarnishing our factory's name.
Engineer Zhang, what do you mean by that? Who's tricking behind the scenes? And who's not following factory rules? I disagree with you first.
I know. Some people have issues with the new factory rules I announced, but let me tell you, for a business to grow, we need strict discipline.
Well said. You're a real director. Support those following company rules. If anyone breaks them, there'll be no leniency.
Starting today, I want all of you to demonstrate dedication and voluntarily work overtime. Make up for the lost productivity. Lin Wei, Senior Engineer at Factory, Key to the Tech, lead the way.
The boss means you should lead the overtime.
That's right, it's an order.
All right.
You agreed? Of course.
I support all the boss's orders. Overtime? No problem. But, according to Article 41 of the Labor Law, when employers arrange overtime, according to the regulations of XIA, overtime pay should be provided to workers, as stated in Article 44. Overtime on legal holidays should be no less than 300% of the wage. Rest days should be compensated with time off. If time off isn't possible, overtime pay can't be less than 200% of the wage. Excuse me, factory, what standards are we following? If standards are clear, willing to lead by example in overtime work, believe workers will also be happy to do so.
Are you negotiating with me? Do you have any sense of collective honor?
Of course I do. I see labor laws and factory rules. If being late deserves punishment, then overtime should be compensated. That's called following the rules. Boss, aren't you an advocate of rules? How is it conditional?
Seems like you're just resentful that I docked your 100,000 year-end bonus.
Let me say something. While our company has rules, we're also a team. This order is crucial for the factory's survival. If others don't want to do it,
I'll do it.
Others can't handle it? I'll do it too.
for the factory, I'm making a statement. I'm working overtime for the factory.
Haha, well said. That's the work attitude our factory should have. You should all applaud Zhang Hao for this. Haha. We must eliminate selfishness that goes against the group.
Lin Wei. Hold on a sec. The core rotation shaft on the production line is showing periodic tremors. Could you stay and fix it? If it breaks, the entire production line will be ruined. The factory is the place your mentor dedicated his life to protecting. You can't just ignore it, can you?
That's true. So, Director Lee, do I get overtime pay?
To be continued. Well,
If there's no overtime pay, then I can't help either. My mentor taught me a lot, but never said I should work for free.
but directly, these little issues are nothing. You can. I've got a few classmates to fix this production line. No problem at all. Ignore that pretentious woman.
Director Lee, someone's volunteering. Why would you need me? What a show-off.
Once I control the whole production line, you'll be the first to go, humph.
What's going on? How did this happen? Lin Wei,
Something happened.
what is it?
Zhang Hao didn't solve the problem. They even accidentally deleted the A7 application.
Where's Lin Wei? Find Lin Wei.
Wei, this is the life's work of master. If the production line is ruined, Bosch Group will surely demand billions in compensation.
Xiaolong, I know you're worried. But it's after work hours now.
No. Wei, it's come to this. Are you really going to fight Zhang Tao to the end?
Senior brother, I don't want to fight them. I'm just following his rules, aren't I?
But what about the master's hard work?
Don't worry, brother. Protect master's hard work. 387.
All right, get some rest then.
Okay.
Tell me quickly, did you fix the machine after working all night? Say something. Lin Wei, hold it right there. What work attitude is that? There was an issue on the production line last night.
Why didn't you come?
Are you doing this on purpose? Are you?
Director, can I ask you something? Do I still get my year-end bonus?
What did you say?
Sorry, why should I work overtime then?
You've got guts.
Wei, the manager's really upset. Be careful, he may retaliate.
Don't worry, I'm just afraid he'll do something even more stupid out of anger.
Let's go.
Lin Wei, who does she think she is? She's just a little tech worker. I refuse to believe I can't deal with her.
Calm down, uncle. This Lin Wei, she's just confident because she knows a lot. We can have her write up a report on her usual tasks. Then we'll operate the equipment based on her report. And by then, she can be gone for good.
That's one way, as long as we control all the equipment programs. We won't need her anymore.
Me and my country.
Lin Wei, given the recent widespread issues with our equipment, as a key tech member, you should take the lead. Write a report covering the entire equipment process. I want production line optimization. This is your job after all. It must be on my desk by the end of today.
Okay.
Wei. He's intentionally making it hard. He wants you to work overtime. Or else, he'll accuse you of slacking off.
It's no big deal, just a report. What's this? Isn't it the optimization report the director asked me to write about the production line? It's core problem analysis on current low production line efficiency. 1. Core problem. Poor maintenance led to equipment performance decline. 2. Direct cause. Non-professional personnel. Disrupted system stability. Recommendations. Stop non-professional personnel from accessing core equipment and recertify operators.
What is this report? You're using it to criticize me. I warn you, keep slacking off and I'll officially fire you for this. What work attitude is that? There was a major issue last night. Why didn't you come? Are you doing this to get back at us? Are you? I'm warning you, if you keep slacking off, I'll officially fire you for this.
No problem firing me, just give me compensation.
You even recorded it.
After all the help from the director, you didn't think I wouldn't be prepared, right? Director, my report is done. I'm leaving now.
Oh, you, Lin Wei. Don't think I can't deal with you.
The machine coordinates must be off now.
Stop. Let me speak. Considering recently our factory productivity is slow, defective products increasing, possibly due to key technicians are underperforming. They haven't done their jobs properly, so I have to take action. This is the engineer we've poached from our competitor, Xiaolong Group. Expert Qian, please welcome him.
Welcome.
From now on, all technical issues at our factory will be handled by him. If anyone has any questions, feel free to come and ask.
Here comes college student Zhang Hao again,
And again a technical engineer.
the money expert,
Director Zhang is really set on it.
finding someone to replace you.
No problem, it's good to have talent in the factory. Just not sure this money expert is really up to the task.
Lin Wei, he'll be taking your place, becoming the technical engineer of our factory.
Director Zhang, you're too kind. Since I'm joining the factory, I hope to start working soon and contribute to our factory's development.
Haha, well said. Truly an expert, always thinking about work right at the factory.
It's what I should.
You all should learn from him. He's the model of an excellent employee here. Expert. All right.
I checked.
This money expert
Doesn't have a good reputation.
just likes to brag.
Let him brag. It's a big win. Don't bite your tongue.
It's working now. All right, it's working. The machine's up and running.
No wonder you're the expert. You fixed the machine right away.
These machines are all basically the same. German-made machines have rigid control logic. Not at all suited to our country's way of operating, but machines like these, I just need to get familiar with them once.
We'll rely on you more in the future, Mr. Qian. No problem. Lin Wei, you don't need to operate machines in this workshop.
You don't need to handle them.
You stay over there, okay?
Some people think they're unique and untouchable, but really, they're useless. You might as well find a cool spot and relax.
Come on, money expert, your turn.
These code comments are in a style only my master and I understand. Trying to crack them casually takes some skill. Hurry up, money expert, everyone's waiting for you to fix the machine and start working. From now on, you're the technical backbone of our workshop. Whatever you say, we'll do.
No need to tell us, money experts got their own pace, right?
Haha, let me take a look here. I've never heard of this LW module before.
What are you talking about?
Boss. Urgent email from Bosch Group requesting latest LW optimization module data.
It's serious.
It's crucial for their decision on additional orders. We must reply today, no delays.
The LW module is part of this machine. Expert Qian, check it out.
This S7 module has many things I've never seen before. Especially this LW module. It's not even in the manual.
Are you kidding me? 80% of our factory orders are from the Bosch Group. If we don't reply today, we're in trouble.
Hey, director. Are you saying this trouble is my fault? Who designed this module? Let designer deal with it. The designer and operator know this module best.
It's Lin Wei again. This is crazy.
Lin Wei, is this your doing? Hurry up and explain that module, delaying Bosch Group's order. Can you take responsibility for this?
The LW module is a power optimization and precision compensation system designed for Bosch Group. It's for their special custom products. I remember that the data model for this module has already been shared within the engineering community, right, Mr. Qian? Haven't you, a big shot in the field, heard of it?
Of course I've heard of it, I just didn't think of it right away. Since the data model's already out there, I'll check the materials tonight.
I'm sure I'll find a solution. See, even an engineer like Lin Wei can solve problems like this. For someone like Mr. Qian, it's just a piece of cake, right?
Yes, that's right.
Thanks to the wealthy experts, if we relied on some people, our factory would be struggling.
Well then, we'll just wait and see, Expert Qian.
What? You mean the one I fired? That so-called expert Chen?
Went to Xiaolong Machinery.
Yeah, started there today.
He's just a pretender, while Xiaolong Machinery has experts like Lin Wei. Why would they spend a fortune hiring someone I fired, who's a total fake? Check it out right away. We can't let Lin Wei, the best engineer in Daxia, be treated unfairly.
Yes.
In your own temple. You've got a big Buddha not properly respected. This Xiaolong Machinery factory doesn't deserve a top talent like Mr. Lin.
Explain it to me clearly.
Uncle, calm down, don't be angry.
Why? Why did the equipment in my entire factory suddenly shut down? I'm telling you. Bosch Group has already discovered this issue. They'll send a representative tomorrow. By then,
If our production,
I'll have to pay them tens of millions.
I was thinking of bypassing that LW module. Altering the core system code.
But I didn't expect.
The whole production system to be completely locked down.
Didn't you say you're an expert in this field? I hired you with a high salary and this is all you have to say?
It's Lin Wei. She must have intentionally set up a security system in the code, causing our system to completely crash. We can't let her.
We won't. Why won't you let go? Bosch's order is crucial to us now. Only Lin can solve this issue, others are useless. Why won't you let go? Tell me. I was wrong about Lin. It's about the year-end bonus, I acted impulsively. I was wrong. How much do you want? Name your price. If you can get this production line running, I'm willing to double compensate you. 20,000. How about it?
Director Zhang. It's pointless to talk about money now, right?
Name your terms. As long as I can manage it, I'll make it happen for you.
All right. I have one condition, hold a factory meeting. At the place you humiliated me. Apologize publicly to me, Lin Wei, for your scare tactic. Give 100,000 yuan year-end bonus, not less.
Lin Wei. Don't push it too far.
Back then, in front of everyone, described me as a rat's dropping. Why didn't you say it was too much?
You.
I have only this one request. It's up to you.
No way. Lin Wei. Just wait. The Bosch Group is sending people over tomorrow. If this production line isn't restored, we're all responsible. If you want to keep doing well in this industry, find a solution for me.
We can delete the LW module and reprogram a new set of codes. 587.
Are you sure about this?
Piece of cake. I guarantee it. Before Bosch Group representative arrives, it can be completed. It will absolutely not delay their inspection.
That makes sense. As long as the program can be reprogrammed, I can then discard the LW module. I'll never have to do things according to her whims again.
That's right, Uncle. We'll kick her out of the factory then and let her be arrogant. Wei, they've gone mad. Zhang Tao instructed Qian and his team to format the entire system.
Really?
You saw it coming.
They're trying to kick me out. They'll do anything to get rid of me. I just didn't expect it. I didn't expect it to happen.
They want to reprogram all the core modules. The manager doesn't know. But that's stupid money. Doesn't Moneyman understand? The hardware drivers for this setup are custom made. For LW systems. Once it's formatted, it's just scrap metal.
Let them be. When Bosch Group arrives tomorrow, they'll regret it.
Today's program fine, right?
I'll lead the operation team.
Here they come, here they come. The factory manager, Bosch Group's representative, is here.
Welcome, Mr. Schneider.
Director Zhang. I'm here on behalf of Bosch Group to give Xiaolong Group a final ultimatum. If the factory can't resume production today, Bosch Group will unilaterally terminate all cooperation agreements and initiate an 8-figure euro claim procedure.
Mr. Schneider, our factory has indeed faced troublemakers recently causing disruptions. But don't worry, we've reprogrammed the system to ensure the production line works smoothly today.
Really?
Really, please. Please. Mr. Schneider, here is our production line.
Why hasn't it started yet? Let's get to it.
What's going on? What's happening? Why don't you go check it out?
Why can't it work?
All the equipment is toast.
What?
This is what you wanted me to see? The equipment won't work, so we can't complete the order.
No, it's not like that.
Director Zhang, if you can't give a reasonable explanation, we'll see you in court. Uncle, are you okay? Oh no, if the company finds out.
I just got the job. Lost a big client like Bosch Group. What do I do? Isn't my future ruined?
Uncle, don't worry, let's talk to this German properly. It's her.
It's all her fault. She is Lin Wei,
She is from our factory.
the senior engineer. She violated labor discipline. Being late, leaving early, or passive resistance to work. All of this is her doing.
Yes, it's this woman who's slacking off at work. Ignoring the production line equipment.
Leading to its damage.
Because of negligence. She should be fully responsible. Zhang Hao. Speak with facts, always. Wei showed up on time. It's you pretending to know. That caused this outcome. Who said she never taught me how to use the equipment? I was hired as a technician at the factory. She never taught me how to use the equipment or guided me in my work. This led to negligence in my duties.
Even when Lin Wei noticed Zhang Hao making small mistakes, she ignored them. This was clearly to harm the factory's interests, and as the head of the factory, I definitely won't support such unhealthy tendencies. That's why she maliciously retaliated. She sabotaged the production line, causing it to become unusable. Mr. Schneider, the production line crashed today. She's the real culprit.
Are you Ms. Lin Wei? Are you Ms. Lin Wei?
Yes, that's her. She's an employee at our factory, but never follows the factory's work rules. She's crazily sabotaging this production line. Schedule delayed, but today I'll represent the factory, Mr. Schneider. To eliminate this menace, I assure you that our future collaborations will proceed smoothly.
Director Zhang, I think you're just shirking responsibility, trying to blame Wei Wei. Wei Wei, say something. Their attempt to bypass the LW module and use brute force resulted in this outcome. It has nothing to do with you. It's all because Lin Wei is taking advantage of his knowledge of LW modules and using that as leverage, threatening factories with price gouging. We had no choice but to format the module. She's to blame for all of this.
That's right, if it weren't for this module,
Program was maliciously modified.
how could my operation have failed? The current situation has nothing to do with me.
Lin Wei, your laziness has caused irreparable damage to our factory. Today, on behalf of the factory, I officially fire you. Get out of this factory immediately. Security, security.
Throw her out.
No need for you to lift a finger. I'll leave myself.
Wait a minute.
Mr. Schneider, don't worry. Our company will fully represent yours in suing Lin Wei, and will ensure our future cooperation isn't affected. What are you waiting for?
Didn't you hear me say wait? Mr. Lin, long time no see. Didn't expect to run into you here. Mr. Lin, long time no see. Didn't expect to run into you here.
Is that her?
What? Bosch Group's chief representative. Mr. Schneider. Call her Engineer Lin. Wei Wei. You already know Mr. Schneider.
Mr. Schneider. You must be mistaken. She's just a
Small engineer in our factory.
How could she possibly be your?
Do you think I'd mistake my own teacher? That's you. Mr. Lin, you might not know me. But 3 years ago, I attended your online tech lecture at Muni University. Your explanation was invaluable to me.
Mr. Lin is impressive. He even gave a tech lecture at Muni University.
That's amazing. Director Zhang, just now, you mentioned firing Mr. Lin.
Mr. Schneider, you have no idea. She broke factory rules,
Slack off on the job.
disrupted the production line. We're just following procedure.
That's ridiculous. You realize who you're talking to? The owner of the LW optimization module, and the sole holder of the core system patent for the entire production line. You think Ms. Lin slacked off?
What? She is the core patent tech for the whole production line.
The sole holder.
How is that possible?
Oh my god. Lin is impressive. The core patent for this production line is hers.
I've always said, whatever the problem, once Lin steps in, it's solved immediately.
Exactly.
Impossible, she's just a junior engineer. No way she's the patent holder for the production line's core system.
Yeah, that's right.
2 idiots, for real. No way.
Take a good look at this. This is my patent certificate.
Even if you have a patent, it could be fake.
Exactly, Mr. Schneider. Don't let her fool you. We know who she really is. We know best.
Fake? You really don't think before you speak. This is from the official patent office website. Do you think I could have the patent office fake it for me?
Bunch of fools. If you'd paid attention, you would have found out. The LW module's letters are the initials of Master Lin's name.
That module was developed independently by me, based on what my master had. It's a power optimization and it's specifically tailored for Bosch's custom-made product. Plus, I let the factory use it for free.
That's impossible. No way.
That's the truth. Since you fired Mr. Lin, there's no reason for us to continue our partnership.
No, Mr. Schneider. Partnership can't be cancelled. Even if she's the sole holder of the core patent.
That doesn't affect our cooperation.
I see you still don't get it. Calling you stupid would be a compliment.
What do you mean?
You probably don't realize that the reason Bosch Group chose your Xiaolong machinery is because our tech team discovered your production line used Lin's LW module. Only Lin's technology is our sole reason for choosing Xiaolong machinery, we believe. Only Mr. Lin can perfectly meet our stringent precision requirements. But now you've fired Mr. Lin, what's the point of our partnership?
Do you understand? The orders you've been so proud of in your climb up the ladder are all because of me. Not because of your so-called connections and background. Nor the hardware in this factory. It's time for Zhang Tao to settle accounts.
You should think carefully about how to explain it to Mr. Chen. The production line is halted. This has caused a huge loss to our Bosch Group. You'll be facing hefty penalties for breach of contract.
No, Engineer Lin.
We were wrong.
We were wrong. Forgive us. Don't take it personally. Please forgive us. Forestry worker.
I was blind. Restore the production line as soon as possible. If the order is cancelled, we're all doomed.
Aren't your company rules pretty strict? You just said I was slacking off and wanted to fire me. Now asking for help. What's happening, and what consequences will you face? What's that got to do with me?
Mr. Lin. I'm begging you on my knees, please. Just come back and get the production line running, and I'll meet any demand.
Any demand? You mean?
Yes, as long as you come back, I'll agree to anything you want.
Sorry. Too late, giving me a hard time.
When you were about to fire me.
Didn't think this day would come?
You're still messing with me.
Messing with you, what can you do?
Already gave you a chance.
You didn't appreciate it. Mr. Schneider, I know that batch is important to you. I can help you.
What do you need, Mr. Lin? As long as you can help me solve the problem, Bosch Group can meet all your needs.
I hope to work with your company. But not an employee of Xiaolong Machinery Factory. After all, I just got fired.
Please tell me, Mr. Lin.
I hope, in the name of Bosch Group, Xiaolong Machinery Factory headquarters will meet 3 conditions for me.
What are the 3 conditions, Mr. Lin?
First, get him, his nephew Zhang Hao, out of the factory right now. They don't deserve to be here. Second, I want Xiaolong Machinery's headquarters to compensate me for Zhang Tao's insults and defamation. Pay me a damages fee of 500,000. Third, I'll give technical support independently, but my fee is hourly charge, 10,000 RMB per hour, until the production line passes inspection.
10,000 per hour.
Are you crazy? Why don't you just rob a bank?
Then go ask Mr. Chen if he'd agree. Compared to paying fines, I think Mr. Chen would rather pay me.
Director Zhang. Wei isn't worth this price. You hired so-called financial experts from outside. They don't seem cheap either, right? Mr. Lin, I completely agree with your conditions. I'll go talk to Mr. Chen right away. I believe Mr. Chen knows how to make the right choice. Uncle. Mr. Chen, I've explained the situation. Now, either you meet all of Mr. Lin's conditions, or our collaboration ends here. See you in court. I don't think I need to say more about Mr. Chen's choice, right? We don't want to make things too ugly either. After all, we prefer the product to be produced normally.
Mr. Chen, no need to look at me like that. Everything today is their own doing. It's got nothing to do with me. Advise you to think. Once you lose Bosch Group, a top global client, you'll face huge penalties. But it could also affect your company's reputation in the industry. On one hand, it's the unreasonable demands of an unknown female engineer. On the other hand, it's just saving face for your relative. As a competent businessman, this choice shouldn't be hard, right? What do you think, Mr. Chen?
Okay. I represent the group and agree to your 3 conditions. The 500,000 compensation will be in your account within an hour. As for Zhang Tao, effective immediately, all positions in the company are revoked.
Further actions will follow.
Zhang Hao, you're fired. And blacklisted in the entire industry.
Uncle.
Mr. Chen, you made the right choice. What are you waiting for? They've been fired. Throw them out now.
Cousin, I'm sorry.
Someone like Mr. Chen is a leech. I hope your company keeps a tighter rein to avoid future trouble, so it won't affect our partnership. Mr. Schneider, you don't have to remind me, I'll manage my own staff. Mr. Lin, on behalf of the organization, I apologize for Zhang Tao's significant mistakes at work.
I sincerely apologize to you.
I hope you prioritize the bigger picture and resume the production line soon.
Mr. Chen, you pay, I work. I'll do my best. This is my mentor's hard work. I won't let such a petty person ruin it.
All right. I'll personally come to the factory to discuss the details with you later.
All right.
Okay. Wei, back when Master had us pulling all-nighters in the lab and crunching numbers, he said you'd make it big someday. Didn't expect you kept it this well hidden. Lin, I used to think you were just too low-key, but now I see you're a real man of mystery.
I can walk myself.
I'll walk.
Get out. Can't you be gentle?
What do we do now, Uncle?
Don't worry, I'll figure something out. Lin Wei, just you wait. Don't get too cocky. I'll be back to finish you.
Ugh.
Let's go.
Lin, you're amazing. Even Director Zhang got fired.
Yeah, we've been fed up with them for a long time, ever since they showed up.
Pretending to know it all.
Random commands almost wore us out.
Great, we can have regular work hours now.
All right. Once I prep everything and get the production line back, we'll be busy again.
Let's get to it.
Okay. Let's go.
Mr. Schneider, thank you so much for today.
No need to thank me, it's a win-win. We definitely don't want to miss out on collaborating with Mr. Lin. Only you can make a product that satisfies us. I hope Mr. Lin can get the production line running soon. I'm waiting for your good news.
Okay.
To be continued.
Special.
To be continued.
It's back up.
Systems restored.
Good.
Wei takes action. Problem solved instantly.
The system is back up, but we still need to recheck it since expert Qian made some changes. Worried about glitches. Xiaolong, restart driver module of servo motor number 3. Xiaoli, have engineer verify stability of high power supply circuit.
Xiaolu,
Reduce the hydraulic station pressure to 7.5 megapascals.
That's just how Mr. Lin is. He works meticulously and orderly. It's practically an art form. With a team like this, we can produce excellent products. Wei Wei's grown up. She can handle things on her own. She's kept the master's efforts alive. The production line is back up. Great.
Line is back up, everyone, back to stations.
let's get to work.
Let's go. Back to work. Mr. Schneider, please. Master Lin, thanks to you. Mr. Schneider, here's the product fresh off the line. Would you like to test it yourself? Pass rate hit 100%, 0.01 microns more precise than before. The precision is higher than previous products.
Mr. Lin,
You're incredible, as I always say. Anything from Mr. Lin is top quality, no doubt.
I'm doing what I should do. Using my expertise.
You're not a mess. I told you, don't cause trouble. Look at this mess.
Cousin, you can't blame me entirely. I didn't expect this brat, she's just a little engineer, to have so many tricks.
I'm telling you, you'd better behave yourself for now.
So we're just gonna let this go? This brat,
Is the sole holder of the core patent technology.
for the entire production line.
All right, I have my own plan. Morning, Junior.
Mr. Lin, here so early.
Mr. Lin,
This factory needs you. Or we'd all be on vacation. Yes, Mr. Lin.
Zhang Tao is a piece of work. Docking your year-end bonus. He doesn't even know how much you've done for this factory.
Okay. It's all in the past now. Let's get back to work,
All right.
Wait a minute. This wear log doesn't look right. Bro, stop everyone working. Shut down the machine.
What's wrong? Wait.
No time to explain. Hurry.
Everyone. Stop work. Shut down machines. Shut them down. Quick. Wait. What's happening?
Oh, something's happened. Hurry.
What is it?
Are you hurt?
No.
Mr. Lin, what's going on?
Something's wrong with the machine. Take it apart and check.
Wait. How is this possible? Wait. How is this possible? Drive shaft is from German factory. Chrome molybdenum alloy steel. Designed to last 20 years. Less than 5. How'd it end up like this?
Lao Lu, get the spectrometer over here.
Engineer.
On it.
No way. This isn't chromium molybdenum steel. Basic 45 carbon steel. Strength and durability. Less than a tenth of the original product.
Switching genuine parts. If something goes wrong, it'll cost lives in the factory. This poor quality drive shaft, if it breaks at high speed, the flying debris,
Is as powerful as artillery shells.
enough to flatten half the workshop. Turn it into rubble.
This Zhang Tao. He's a real scoundrel. This is an attempt to kill our factory. Zhang Tao. He secretly changes parts there. Never imagined they'd trade human lives for money. No wonder last month. Abnormal noises from the machine.
If that bastard were here,
He must have his head stuck in the gears.
Zhang Tao. I was letting you go.
Didn't expect you'd do this. You'll pay for this. Senior. Seal off the scene immediately. Get me the test report. Factory's purchase records. I need to send them to Mr. Chen and Mr. Schneider.
All right, I'll handle it right now.
Everyone, don't worry. This matter. I will give you all an explanation. I'll make him pay for what he's done. Mr. Schneider. This is very serious. They took kickbacks. Replacing original German parts with cheap domestic ones, putting the workers' lives at risk. I need to make them pay.
Mr. Lin, I'll deal with this urgently. I absolutely will not allow my supplier to have this kind of problem.
I'll trouble Mr. Schneider.
Cousin in Mr. Chen's office, you were looking for me?
You still dare to come?
Cousin.
Look at the mess you've made.
What's going on, cousin? Let me explain.
What the hell are you trying to explain? They have solid evidence. You say you usually. Taking kickbacks is one thing.
Messing with safety stuff.
You really have guts, don't you?
Cousin, I'm sorry. I was blinded by money, didn't expect such a big problem, cousin.
What good is knowing you're wrong? You've been sued, just get ready for jail, cousin.
I don't want to go to jail, help me.
Cousin. How do I help you? I'm telling you, this is a crime. If it isn't handled properly, the company is facing huge losses. You know that, right? You did this. You're fully responsible for it, okay?
Cousin.
Cousin, rescue me, take me out.
Help me, cousin. Cousin, please help me. I don't want to go to jail.
Mr. Chan. Mr. Schneider and Engineer Lin are in the reception room.
Mr. Schneider, Engineer Lin, sorry to keep you waiting. Mr. Chen, you should know why I'm here. I know. It's our mistake at work. We're handling it. We assure you and your workers will get a satisfactory explanation. Better be. After all, we're old friends. We don't want any unpleasantness over this. It's not just a quality issue, but a safety concern. If it happens again, Bosch will never work with your company. You can rest assured on that. We're doing a full overhaul. We promise this won't happen again.
Mr. Chen, I need you to give me an explanation.
Mr. Lin, Zhang Tao has been sent to the station. The evidence is solid and he's been severely punished by the law.
That's not enough.
Mr. Lin, do you have any other requests? Just say it and I'll meet them.
You compensated everyone in the factory with 50K each.
50K each? That's a lot, isn't it?
It's for emotional distress. If I hadn't caught the issue in time, the factory's losses wouldn't just stop here. What's wrong, Mr. Chen? Can't you afford that amount?
Mr. Lin, you're taking advantage of the situation. I can pay. But not that much.
50K, not a penny less. If you can't help, the production line won't recover. You decide what's more important. Mr. Chen, weigh your options.
All right. I agree, but you must resume production ASAP.
Don't worry, Mr. Chen. New drive shaft arrives. The production line can restart immediately. I'll leave you alone, Mr. Chen. Heading back to the factory.
Mr. Chen, I'll be heading out then. All right, take care. Lin Wei. Oh, Lin Wei.
System optimizations complete.
Everyone stop for a moment, gather around. Did everyone get their money?
Yes, got it. Lin, you're amazing, getting us so much compensation.
Girls' tuition is covered.
Thank you, Lin.
All these years,
Everyone's worked hard for the factory.
you've all earned this. Now, you can work well.
All right, all right.
I've finished the system optimization. Let's work overtime today. Restore the production line. Ensure Mr. Schneider's order isn't affected. Has helped us a lot too.
All right.
No worries, Lin. Let's start.
Safe travels.
Thanks for the hard work, everyone. Keep it up and go for it.
Master Lin, you're incredible. Your optimization improved overall efficiency by 15%. Energy consumption lowered by 10%. This batch will
Be delivered ahead of schedule, honoring Mr. Schneider's trust.
Great. I've decided that Bosch Group will, apart from the original order, add an additional 50 million euros for a long-term strategic cooperation agreement.
Mr. Schneider, I hope you'll reconsider the additional order.
Oh, no need. As long as Lin is here, there's nothing to reconsider. What did you say? The Bosch Group wants to add a 50 million euro order.
Yes, Mr. Shin. But Mr. Schneider requests that Lin Wei, engineer Lin, must be the lifelong technical director for this project. Include in the contract.
Lin Wei. Get car ready. Going to factory now.
Understood, Mr. Chan.
Hey, Xiaolong. This is the extra compensation and bonus from the company. This is the report on the Zhangtao incident.
No need for extra compensation and bonuses. I'll just take what I deserve. But, Mr. Chen, you're here personally today. So it must be for something else, right?
Xiaolong, you're sharp. There is indeed something else. This is your new appointment from the group.
Deputy General Manager of the Huaxia branch. Technical Production Director. So basically, once I sign this contract, I'll go from an ordinary engineer to an executive in the group, with a 3% stake in this factory.
That's right. Xiaolong, you're indeed a tech genius. But just having technical skills is not enough. You need a bigger platform to showcase your talents. My Xiaolong group is willing to be your platform. Of course, that fool Zhang Tao isn't fit to run my factory. A big factory like mine should be managed by a talent like you.
Once I sign it, I'll have money, status, and power. But this, I can't accept. But this contract, I can't accept.
Why? Are you worried about something? We can discuss money or shares.
It's not about that. I'm an engineer. I find joy in tackling technical challenges and watching cold code turn into efficiently running machines.
You're doing this.
I can't accept this either.
I've already kicked out troublemakers like Zhang Tao and Zhang Hao. Why are you still unwilling?
They may be gone, but with you, Mr. Chen, as the general manager, these insiders will never stop coming.
Lin Wei, am I being too nice to you?
Too nice. You're just using these shares to steal my core technology. And then try to kick me out, leaving me with nothing.
Aren't you? How did you know?
I just don't like office politics. But that doesn't mean I'm stupid.
Stop right there. Lin, you can leave, but during your time here, you developed core technology patents using our platform and resources. Those need to stay. Sign this technology transfer agreement. Then you can go. Otherwise, you won't be walking out that door.
Mr. Chen, this is daylight robbery.
Doesn't matter, you still have to comply. Just sign it.
Those technologies were developed in my personal time. The patents clearly have my name on them. It's unrelated to the company.
Without the company's platform and resources, how can you get those things? Be smart and sign it. Let's part on good terms. Otherwise, I have plenty of ways to make it impossible for you to work in the mechanical industry in Daxia. Besides, my Xiaolong Group is the top-ranked company in Daxia. If you walk out from here, where else can you go? Come, hold her hand and help her sign. Come on.
Let go. Let go of.
Hurry up.
Wow, it's lively here.
Who are you? Who let you in?
Let's get acquainted. I'm Zhou Qian. I just acquired a machining factory and I'm here to consult with Mr. Lin. What are you guys up to?
Oh. I remember now, you're the one who acquired the largest machining factory in eastern Daxia. Mr. Zhou.
Right? That's right. That's me. When I came in, I heard what Mr. Chen said, and I disagree. First, Xiaolong Machinery Factory is no longer the biggest factory in Daxia. Second, Mr. Lin left you guys. I'll offer her a bigger stage.
Mr. Zhou. Are you really set on poaching from me?
Your manager Zhang already fired Mr. Lin.
You.
What's there to fight over? I suggest you don't move. Come in. Mr. Lin. We can go now.
Lin Wei.
Do you really want to leave? This is your master's life work.
Don't worry. I'll be back. Just in a different way. Mr. Zhou was grateful earlier, without your timely help.
I fear. You're too polite, Mr. Lin. It was nothing, and I truly admire your talent and integrity. Summer Dragon Machinery can't keep you here. It's their loss. Mr. Lin. Our country is struggling. Foreign countries have long restricted us in high-end precision manufacturing, especially lithography technology. Seeing your technology gives me hope.
So I want to invite you
to break through this together and bring our nation's manufacturing back to the top of the world.
Your trust and appreciation, Mr. Zhou. What you said is exactly my dream as an engineer. I accept this challenge. I'm willing to join.
Great, Mr. Lin. Welcome to Heavy Machinery. Let's join hands and create a future together.
A great nation heavy industry.
This is our battlefield now.
Pretty good. Who Mr. Zhou bring over?
Heard Mr. Zhou recently hired a tech expert, must be her.
Workers. Let's pause what we're doing for a moment. Let me introduce a new colleague. Lin Wei, Engineer Lin. He's a top expert in our field. Starting today, Engineer Lin will be our technical director and deputy general manager. He'll oversee production processes and R&D. Let's give him a warm welcome.
Hi, Lin Wei. Looking forward to working together.
By the way, soon our factory will negotiate a partnership with a leading international company. They'll send a team to conduct a thorough inspection at our plant. Production process and product pass rate. As long as we pass this inspection, we'll secure this important order. Everyone might need to work a bit harder during this time. Strictly control the quality of each step. I promise you all. Once we get this order, everyone here will get a bonus.
All right.
All right. Let's get to our stations and bring our best. Mr. Lin, let's discuss the details at the studio.
Sure, Mr. Zhou.
Come on in. Mr. Lin, let me know if you need anything. The admin department will get it for you.
It's already great. Thank you, Mr. Zhou. Compared to my time at Xiaolong, it's much better here.
Mr. Lin, this will be your battleground from now on. Regarding the processing of confidential components for the lithography machine, I've got some initial ideas. Especially the dual workbench and the ultra-secret guide rail for the objective lens system.
That's right, the straightness and stability of the rail are key. Traditional materials and methods might not be sufficient. I think we should consider. Look here. The thickness of this product is about 0.5 microns. And this one should be around 0.8 microns.
Brother Bo Qian.
Why are you here, Su Lianxue?
Who is she and why are you so close?
Su Lianxue, watch your words and actions in the office. Meet Lin Wei, President Lin, our company's hired technical director.
Hello.
Technical director? Such a young woman? Bo Qian, who are you trying to fool? Did she use some trick to get close to you?
Su Lianxue, this is the last time I'll say it. President Lin is the highly paid expert hired to handle our factory's core projects. Your random guesses are rude and offensive.
By Qian, you've never been so harsh to me. For a woman with an unknown background. Who are you kidding? I don't believe it, Miss Su.
I can solve technical problems even Mr. Zhou can't, and I can secure big orders for the factory. Are you satisfied with this answer?
By Qian, I don't like her. Will you replace her? If you need money, I'll have my dad invest in you.
Hello, security. Come to my office. Escort Miss Su out. Also, no entry without an appointment. Core office in the production area.
Zhou Buqian, you'll see.
I'm really sorry, Mr. Lin. Heiress of Su Group.
Mr. Zhou, you don't need to explain your personal matters to me. Let's focus on work. About the track issue we mentioned, I think we could use a new type of composite material.
Sorry, Mr. Lin. I didn't realize it got so late. I just go on and on when discussing. How about this? Are you hungry? Let me take you out for dinner as an apology and a welcome meal.
Too much trouble, Mr. Zhou. I'll finish the simulation, decide after results. No rush for dinner. Work is more important.
But Mr. Lin, you shouldn't work on an empty stomach. How about I get you something from our cafeteria? The chef at our factory is really good.
Too much trouble, Mr. Zhou. Go myself.
No, you stay put. I'll go. I'll stretch my legs and be right back. You wait here.
Brother Boitian is mad for interrupting his work. How could he like a woman like her with no femininity at all? Yeah, that's definitely it.
Hey, did you see that?
Mr. Zhou went to the canteen to get food himself.
Doesn't he usually eat out or at home? Why is he eating at the canteen today?
Who else for? Must be for the new director Lin. Saw him with 2 lunch boxes, heading to the office building, so thoughtful.
Mr. Zhou is. Why still call her Director Lin? We should start calling her the boss lady. The way Mr. Zhou looked at Director Lin today. Hey,
Boss lady. She thinks so?
Lin Wei, right?
Tech expert, right? Wants to be the boss lady. I'll make life hard for you, ruin your reputation.
Hold on. Mr. Schmidt. This is the 7th batch sample made with our new process. Look at the surface finish and edge treatment. They perfectly match the 0.5 micron tolerance on your company's drawings.
we trust Engineer Lin's skills. As we've discussed before, wherever Engineer Lin is, that's where our orders go. Engineer Lin, could you explain why the radial runout error exceeded 1.2 microns? Also, what's going on with this machining flaw?
That's impossible. Every step in our process undergoes strict self-inspection and sampling, and we keep detailed data records. It can't be.
Mr. Schmidt, could it be your equipment having occasional errors?
Or maybe during the transport.
There were some minor bumps. Engineer Lin is our technical expert hired by Mr. Zhou at a high price. All our factory's core programming processes are managed entirely by her. There shouldn't be such a basic error.
My equipment was just calibrated. As for bumps, this is typical processing stress. Microcracks caused by uneven release. Definitely not due to transport. I'm sorry. Engineer Lin, this batch of products completely fails to meet our acceptance standards given the current situation. I need to report to headquarters. I'm afraid we can't sign the contract this time.
Oh, come on, Mr. Schmidt, give us another chance. If we can't get this contract, what will happen to our factory? The workers' bonuses depend on this order.
Why is everyone gathering around? Get back to work.
I just heard someone say some of you lack the skills and are taking it lightly, which cost our factory an important order.
Director Lin, is this your fault?
That new director Lin.
She doesn't have the skills.
Everything she makes is defective. Now the experts are unhappy and we can't even sign the contract. All your bonuses are gone.
Miss Su is right. That's what the experts said. Can't believe Mr. Zhou trusts her so much. He gave her the most important tech work in the factory, and look what happened. How can we explain this to Mr. Zhou, to all the workers counting on this bonus to support their families?
All those days of overtime, gone just like that.
Lack skills, don't take the job. It's harming yourself. I was counting on it for tuition.
How can someone like her stay in our factory? Are we gonna let her keep messing with us until we can't eat? Petition President Zhou and ask her to leave.
Yeah, kick her out.
Can't let her ruin factory, should leave.
Hurry up and leave.
Leave the factory.
Quiet down, everyone, quiet. Director Lin, with things this bad, are you going to resign and apologize? Or will you be responsible and face millions, maybe tens of millions in fines?
In my opinion, even tens of millions wouldn't be enough for her to pay. Can she afford all the workers' bonuses?
Hurry and pay my bonus.
It's your fault. If you hadn't come to this factory, this wouldn't have happened.
You're really a jinx. I'm begging you, just leave already.
Lin Wei, aren't you so capable? Weren't you trying to seduce Zhou Buqian? Now you're everyone's target. Let's see how bold you can be now. Everyone saw it. She has nothing to say. Let's go to Mr. Zhou now and get rid of this troublemaker.
Stop right there. This batch of parts passed the inspection with flying colors half an hour ago. And now there's a problem. Don't you all find it strange?
Yeah.
The security camera there should have caught what happened. Would have shown who touched the parts.
You, stop talking nonsense. Who touched your parts? It was your own fault when working on them.
Yeah, that camera broke a few days ago. Didn't capture anything, okay, Director Lin. Stop making excuses. Just admit the mistake.
Hey. Bring over the footage from the finished products inspection area now. Also, check the maintenance records for the last 3 days' footage. I'm curious to see how the footage went out.
Lin Wei, stop pretending. Don't think you can change the subject like this. This is your fault, and don't even think about passing the blame.
Everyone. I know some of you urgently need money. No way due to Director Lin's mistake. Your bonuses are gone because of her. Now she wants to change the topic. Let's band together and report her to Manager Zhou.
What's wrong with you guys? She ruined your bonuses. Don't you want her out?
I think Director Lin makes sense. How did the part break? Check the security footage? What if not Director Lin's fault?
We definitely hate whoever cost us our bonuses, but we shouldn't wrongly accuse a good person.
That's what I'm saying. Let's get security to check the footage. Looks like she's brainwashed you all. Director Lin damaging the part is already confirmed beyond doubt. Can't you see what's happening?
I don't care whose fault this is among you. You must give me an answer.
She was careless and caused the mistake. If you're blaming anyone, blame her.
Why are you standing there? Hurry up and take her away. Do you still want your bonus or not? Stop it, all of you.
Stop it, all of you.
Why are you only here now, Brother Buqian? Don't you know Lin Wei messed up the entire Germany project?
Yes, Mr. Zhou,
All our procedures.
are ready to go. But then Director Lin messed it up at the last step, and Mr. Schmidt got really angry. Good thing we caught it in time, didn't turn into a major disaster. Mr. Schneider,
What brings you here? Miss Lin, oh my god.
I finally found you.
I've been looking for you ever since you quit Xiaolong.
It's for discussing long-term cooperation on lithography machines and precision instruments with you.
Everyone. This is Mr. Schneider, the president of the German factory we're collaborating with.
Ah, Schneider actually came himself.
And Schneider even called Director Lin teacher. That's really surprising.
No way, Schneider called Lin Wei teacher.
What's going on? Director Lin is actually Schneider's teacher?
Mr. Schneider, I didn't expect you to come in person. But right now doesn't seem like a good time for cooperation talks. You're expert. They're saying our parts are defective. Some people in the factory want to rally the workers to kick me out.
What's up with Schmidt?
Mr. Schneider, this batch of parts exceeds tolerance and radial runout. There are also machining flaws that don't meet standards.
Mr. Schneider, take a look at this defect. The edge of this mark is sharp, no signs of metal fatigue. Due to external force, not a machining error. And this measuring tool. Mr. Schmidt just now didn't fully calibrate the instrument. So the instrument's error is at least 0.8 microns.
Schmidt, is this how you do inspections?
I just slipped up this time.
Director Lin has brought the surveillance footage.
The footage is doctored. Bro Wuqian, you have to believe me, I didn't do it.
Take Su Lianxue away. From now on, she's not allowed to step foot in the company.
Mr. Zhou, I was wrong. Su Lianxue forced me. I won't do it again. Please forgive me.
How much did you take from Su Lianxue? Tomorrow, go to HR and resign. Plus the damages you've caused to the company. The company will take legal action. File a lawsuit against you.
Take him away. Mr. Zhou, I'm sorry, Mr. Zhou. No, please, no.
Brother Bo Qian.
I'm really sorry, Director Lin.
We misunderstood you before. It's all their fault for misleading us. Please forgive us.
No worries, it was just a misunderstanding. Clearing up the misunderstanding is fine. Let's retest this batch of components and aim to finish as soon as possible.
Your calmness and skills, Mr. Lin, truly impress me. This batch of components. Retest them. Let's sign the contract right now. Also, I've decided to give you the exclusive rights to produce precision parts for the photolithography machine. Your factory will handle it.
Thank you so much, Mr. Schneider. We promise we won't let you down.
Great, Professor. I believe our collaboration will certainly break the foreign technology blockade.
We'll produce precision guide rails for lithography machines in 3 months, reaching international standards.
We're ready to start expanding the production line.
Great, excellent. Headquarters will fully support you. I've arranged for Tevis to stay on and assist with any technical issues. I'll take my leave now, Master.
All right, take care.
Thanks to you, never thought Mr. Schneider was your student too.
I never thought he'd come here himself. Anyway, the workers' bonuses can finally be confirmed.
Everyone, put down what you're doing. Mr. Schneider agreed to work with us, and the order has doubled. So are the bonuses for all involved.
Director Lin is amazing, getting us such a big deal.
I've decided to always follow Director Lin. Me too, follow Director Lin.
The sample testing is complete. Production speed has greatly increased. Mr. Schneider is satisfied with us. Vice President Lin, tell me, what reward do you want this time?
I want to acquire Xiaolong machinery.
Xiaolong machinery? Isn't that where you worked before? They've lost half their orders since they lost your tech. It is a good time to acquire it, but why suddenly the urge to buy it?
I came from Xiaolong, after all. I feel I need to go back. This time, I want to rely on myself to take back Xiaolong.
Tell me, why are the orders down again this month?
Mr. Chan. Heavy machinery factory signed.
A big contract with Schneider.
Many clients are switching over to them. And Lin Wei seems to be planning to buy out our factory with Zhou Wuqian.
Who's Lin Wei? She actually dares to come back.
Apparently, they're already gathering documents.
Dare to touch my factory? Car ready, heading to heavy machinery.
Got it, Mr. Chen.
Mr. Zhou, the finance and legal matters have been finalized. Our company's funding is enough to cover Xiaolong's debts. And we can also buy all their equipment and warehouses. Now we just wait for Mr. Chen from Xiaolong to sign, then we can complete the transfer.
The acquisition's fine, but Xiaolong's old employees cannot be dismissed. They must stay. They're experienced in lithography, machine tech, and deeply loyal. Keeping them will be a great help.
Yes, Mr. Lin.
Mr. Zhou, Mr. Chen from Xiaolong is at the factory gate wanting to see you.
Didn't expect them to come so soon. Okay, let's go. Mr. Chen's well informed. He already got word of our plan to acquire Xiaolong.
Zhou. What do you mean? Are you and Lin planning to acquire Xiaolong?
Since you know, we won't hide it anymore. Yes, we do want to acquire Xiaolong. Your company is already in a loss. Why not sell it directly to us?
That's nonsense. Even if I go bankrupt, I still won't sell to you. Lin Wei, you're capable. I invited you to join my Xiaolong group as management, but you refused. Didn't expect you had this card up your sleeve.
Mr. Chen, Xiaolong's bankruptcy was bound to happen sooner or later. Why drag it out? If you'd let Xiaolong go, workers wouldn't be unpaid.
That's enough. No matter what, I'm not letting go of Xiaolong.
Mr. Chen. We're acquiring Xiaolong to give you a chance. If you don't appreciate it, it's your own misfortune.
Stop fear-mongering here. Don't think you can brag around just because you made a deal with Schneider. Let me tell you, my Xiaolong group will rise again someday.
If you sign, you can get compensation. If not, Xiaolong will file for bankruptcy next month. By then, you won't get a single cent.
That's right. Sell Xiaolong to us now. You can not only clear your debts, but also get a hefty compensation. If you don't sign this contract, you'll face bankruptcy. Won't be able to pay the workers, and risk getting sued by them. Why trouble yourself like this?
They're right. Xiaolong is at the bottom now. Those guys can't get paid. They're gonna screw me. Might as well listen to them and sell Xiaolong.
Mr. Chen, only because of my ties with the factory, I asked Mr. Zhou for a bit more compensation for you. It's enough for you guys.
All right. I'll sign.
Hello, everyone. I'm Lin Wei. Starting today, I'll be the technical director of this factory. Here, I'm announcing 3 new rules. First, respect technology. Respect expertise. No administrative orders should interfere with technical processes.
All right.
Second, clear rewards and penalties based on talent. Starting today, your bonuses, performance, and promotions will be tied to ability, not flattery or connections.
Good.
Third tier excels. Mediocre ones fall. I'll set up strict technical evaluations and job assessments. Those trying to bluff, I'd suggest you leave soon. For those capable, I will provide a platform.
All right.
I've finished talking. Meeting adjourned.
All right. All right.
Later, I promoted Wang to production manager, becoming my right-hand man. The era of technology and capability is just beginning. This is my mentor's glory, but also the era of Lin Wei.